We are going to talk about establishing welding electrode factory in Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC. What is the benefit? Establishing a welding electrode factory in the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, can indeed be a promising venture given the country's significant mineral resources, a growing industrial sector, and construction activities. What is the reason of profitability? First, profitability and competitiveness. DRC industrial sector is developing and there is a growing demand for welding electrodes due to the infrastructure projects, mining activities, and manufacturing operation. By offering high quality products and competitive prices, as well as managed factory can be compete against international suppliers. This can be achieved through efficient production processes, a quality control measure, and cost-effective sourcing of raw materials. Second, raw materials availability. The DRC is rich in mineral sources, including metals like iron, copper, and nickel, which are essential for welding electrode production. Additionally, flux materials like cellulose and rutile may also be available or can be resourced regionally. Conducting a feasibility study to assess the availability and cost effectiveness of sourcing raw materials locally versus importing is crucial. For more information, kindly visit my website in the description below. Third, manpower availability. The DRC has a sizable population, providing a potential labor force for running the factory. However, investing in training and skill development programs may be necessary to ensure the availability of skilled workers, specifically for welding electrode manufacturing processes. Fourth, selling to neighboring countries. The DRC central location in Africa makes it strategically positioned to serve neighboring countries such as Zambia, Angola, Tanzania, and Rwanda. Establishing efficient logistics and distribution network will be crucial for selling to these markets, because those markets also are growing. They need a lot of power plant, a lot of mining development, a lot of refineries. Therefore, the welding electrodes there right now, to put your feet there, it is necessary. Now, fifth, reason for competitiveness. Several factors can contribute to the competitiveness of a welding electrode factory in the DRC. Firstly, abundance of raw materials. Access to locally available raw materials can reduce production costs and provide a competitive advantage. Secondly, proximity to markets. Being closer to the end user can reduce transportation costs and lead time. Thirdly, cost effectiveness. Optimizing production processes and minimizing overhead costs can enable competitive pricing. Fourthly, a quality control. Ensuring consistent quality through rigorous quality control measures can enhance competitiveness. 6. Government support and incentives. Investigate whether the Congolese government offers any incentives or support program for industrial projects. This could include tax breaks, subsidies, or assistance with the permits and license. Overall, establishing a welding electrode factory in the DRC can be a viable and potentially profitable venture, provide the thorough research, strategic planning, and attention to quality and cost efficiency are applied. As you see now, Africa is growing and more technology is going there to discover the mineral, the underground mineral, which means the mining will be developed properly, manpower will be developed, a power plant, they will increase it, the pipeline. All these they need welding electrode, especially the basic one, low hydrogen and the rutile. Therefore, to put your feet now, to invest now, it is very well recommended because you will grow.